Well, hello there and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be showing you how to rename a Clickup workspace. Let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log in into your Clickup using the username and passwords provided. It's very normal for any project manager to feel like they really need to change or edit the name of their workspace. ClickUp makes it very easy for you to change your workspace depending on the different progressions in your project. So to do that, once you have logged in into your ClickUp interface, you'll have to display all the available spaces in your ClickUp. In this case, we'll navigate into the left panel, and when you look at the different menu items I have spaces in here. So you can tell I have a project team space. I also have space that I'm using for my project. So depending on the different ways that you're using ClickUp, then you'll find that the different spaces that you have are not very similar to what I have. The renaming convention also is a little bit different, but that's okay. So to rename your workspace, first is to find the space that you'd like to rename. For instance, for my case, I would like to rename project team space into something else. So the easiest approach to do about it is to go to the space itself, and on the right section, there is the option for space setting. I will click on the space setting and a flyout menu will pop up. This flyout menu allows me to do quite a number of activities on this space. I can create new space, I can rename, I can color, copy the link, duplicate if I don't want to create any other space from scratch in case my lists are quite elaborate at this time. I can also add to favorite so that it pops up on the favorite section up here. I can conform this into a template, and I can also decide to delete. In this video, we want to rename this space. So we'll select the rename command by clicking on the rename, and you can tell the name of the space is project team. I may want to change that into project management. Once I type the new name, I'll click on save. Once it's done, you can tell that my space is now called project management. If I click on the project management space, all the tasks and activities will always be listed in there and they will not change a bit. Well, that is how you rename a space in ClickUp. See you the next nugget.